Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and here for the first time, I'm Dani, and today I am tidying up my kitchen, which is a mess as always after dinner. I try really hard to clean it up every single night before I go to bed, so that's what I'm about to get into now. I need to clean these dishes, clear off this table, and sweep these crumbs up off the floor, so let's get started.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone.
You guys, I have some exciting things to share with you over on Instagram, so make sure you're following me at Tidy Up with Dani. I'm doing way better at being active and uploading on my stories every day now. It's been really fun just sharing my real life and our real messes and giving you guys motivation on a daily basis to clean up. So head over there now, make sure you're following me, and feel free to send me a DM anytime just to say hello.
I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you come. Wanna give you my arm, so don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It was impossible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, try to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us.
Now for you guys who have been with me for a while now, you know that in our apartment we do not have a dishwasher, so that means I have to wash all of these dishes by hand. And I don't do this all the time, but I do like to add a cap full of bleach to my dishwater. That way I know that I'm able to disinfect our dishes, which is really good to do in the wintertime when the cold and flu season is going around. And we're still in the middle of a pandemic too, so it's good just to know that I'm getting these dishes squeaky clean.
Sitting out in the cold, it wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
My kitchen is clean, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to see more cleaning motivation videos like this every Monday. And I will see you guys next week.